everybody, welcome to my channel. Bonbon from me to you. I am Hinata Baby, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a little unboxing and try on haul. I've been actually trying to film for the longest time. I filmed quite a few videos, but I always forget to finish my videos, or I get social anxiety and don't film outside, or I end up having a discussion with my boyfriend, which kills my mood, and then I don't film the video. It's crazy, this is the life of a up and coming YouTuber. You know how it is. So yeah, it happens. But in today's video, I wanted to do a little try on haul with you guys, and I wanted to show you what I got, and then I'm gonna do the try on part. I'll maybe not film that today, but you don't have to know that. So, anyways, let me show you the package. The package we did order from Shane, but it's not like one of those, oh my god, gigantic Shane hauls. I do care about the planet, which was a little, controversial for me to buy this package. I am a person that loves to recycle clothes and create beautiful things with them after they've served their purpose. This is actually my second time ever in my life ordering from Shane. We're not here to judge the people that buy from Shane. We're here to bring awareness to what you can do with your clothes. Clothes is meant to be worn by you, not the other way around. I have my package here. Let's get it open. I don't have one of those cute aesthetic thingies you use to just open your packages. I have scissors. Red, cheap Walgreens scissors. I actually didn't buy that much shit. So first thing we have, I used to love buying hoodies. Started to get really annoyed by hoodies as a girly. Makeup or hairstyles, it gets annoying having to like put it over your head and then take it off. And my biggest pet peeve with hoodies right now is that you can't see my outfit underneath it. Like, why did I go out and do all of this with my outfit for you to not see it? So I've been trying to get more zip up hoodies that I can use on a daily basis when I get chilly, or as an outfit, accessory, whatever the case may be. It's black, but don't worry, it has pink. I don't know how I feel about the texture. I mean, it's chain. What am I expecting? I think it was like a large because I want it to be like big on me. Get really annoyed when I try to buy stuff that looks bigger on me, but then I choose a medium, and I have big arms because I'm strong like that. So sometimes big things don't look big. Next, this actually looks like a lot of shit. I'm happy about that. Mini skirts. Skirts should be the size of a belt. Life's short. Take risks. And that's why we got this one. She cute or whatever. She seems a little big though. Like, I feel she might fall on me. I like the texture. It seemed like a jean kind of texture online, but it's not. It's like I don't know. It feels like it's not gonna be too hot. Like, I do have a thing for like not liking shorts underneath any skirt, and I usually, but we'll see about that because this is really short, so maybe I should keep that. Let's keep on going. Okay, I ordered these pants because I thought they were like very me. They're pink and they're like an anime girl, and I feel like I could do quite a few things with them. These pants that you're gonna see on the try-on portion, but I'm still gonna struggle to show you. I do like that her face is on my ass like that. I used to love these pants high waisted, but I haven't been using high waisted for quite a while. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that part, but sometimes I just flippity flop. They're cute. She's pink. She's very pink. She has blue eyes and hearts on her eyes, which, you know, she's given. And I don't know what else to say. and she has a cherry tattoo on her arm. Don't come for me because I bought this shirt. I do like to wear bikini tops anywhere, and this felt like, when you don't feel like wearing the bikini top, you're feeling kind of, no, not hot, cold. You can wear her either way. And I like that she has a little like belly piercing because I have one as well. This feels really good. I love the texture of this. I know this is gonna give a good feeling when I wear it. The thing about clothes from Shein that I love is that it's thin. So maybe anywhere else that would be a problem and they would be like, oh my god, this is so cheap. But here in Puerto Rico where you get really hot, um I'm gonna take the thin clothes over anything else. Do you know the movie? If you don't know, then I'm gonna insert some pictures anywhere else or maybe a clip. I don't know. Coyote Ugly. They were very iconic to me. I like the fashion of the movie, and I feel like that's something I wanted to be when I grew up. And I'm grown up now, so I can be a Coyote Ugly girl too. Ooh, this is not the texture I was expecting. This feels very different and it looks very big. Even though I swear to God, this is an X small. X small. Let's see how it fits me. You'll see the try on part and see if it's good or not. It doesn't feel cheap though. I like the feel of it. It's like matte. It doesn't smell bad. It's like a leather dupe kind of thing. But I do love a zipper moment. Then you can show a little cleavage anywhere. I do love to show like cleavage and stuff. So this is very me. It's not my type of pink though. This is like magenta kind of pink. I don't know. Then we have something small. I think this is a top that looks like a bikini kind of thing. Giving the bedazzles. I don't know if it's, I hope you can see it. By the way, I got my nails done today by the beautiful Alexa Black. If you're here in Puerto Rico and you want to get your nails done, you have to hit your girl up. She does them very beautiful, but I asked for short ones because I want to be able to grab the pole and not break my nails. Anyways, I got this top so I wouldn't kept on wearing my stripper wear that I'm supposed to use at the club. I don't want to keep on wearing that on a daily basis, so I bought something that I can use outside of the club and I'm not going to be tempted to use for the club and it feels like the club. So, yeah, titties. I'm bitch, what the fuck? I got two. I got two of the same one. Guess I'm gonna be donating one to somebody. Did somebody say slay? We do like baby tees. I usually buy my baby tees from the kids section. Yes, I am the one stealing your clothes, kids. Watch out, baby tees. So I bought this baby tee that says, I love me. And yes, I do. Yes, I motherfucking do. This is very, very on brand, and I love that it has like bedazzling. I'll maybe cut it a little though, because yeah, you remember you wear the clothes doesn't wear you. So maybe I'll cut it to be like more me, because I am a little slut and I like something that feels like a slut to me. Anyway, yeah, next on, huh? I knew this box looked bigger. Was I like blessed by the Shein gods and given extra stuff? No, I was duped. I was. This was supposed to be pink, but I guess I can wear purple. This is purple. I don't like purple that much. But my man does, so I'm gonna wear it for him. To me, this shirt gives off I live on an island. I'm a very island girl, and I'm hot most of the time, so I wear this. I go to the beach, I surf, and I hang out with surfer boys. That's what this shirt gives me. So I bought it. It was supposed to be pink, but we got some purple. at least we have some color in our. What the hell? I got two of this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got two of those. I'm gonna be donating people some this. What the hell? Okay, these ones I'm excited. I'm very, very, very excited for this. They are cargo pants. Who doesn't love cargo pants, but who doesn't love pink cargo pants? And it's for this bitch right here. I do like that they have this stringy thing to make them fit me because as you can see, this is very big and it has a lot of pockets, and I like that they look big, like baggy. I hope they fit that way as well. Oh my god, I got two of almost everything. Crazy. Okay, next shirt we got is this one, and I don't know how I feel about the cut of this shirt. She looked really cute online, but she's not giving right now. Anyways, we'll see about it. We can always make it more me. This is the shirt. It's of course pink. Maybe on a lazy day when I don't want to like think so much about what I want to wear, I can wear this. I can definitely wear this. And last but not least, I got some shoes, and they are these sandals. I do like, okay, my mom used to wear sandals like this. They were iconic to me. I do like to wear chanclas outside, so I feel like this can give a little bit of an oomph to your outfit, if you know what I fucking mean. I got some chanclas. But yeah, guys, that's about it for the haul, try on haul. I hope I look good on the try on part because I'm not doing that yet. I am sweating balls here, but I am so excited to wear each and every of these pieces. I'm so happy. And even though fast fashion is still a thing, be conscious of the planet. If you're gonna buy stuff for yourself, be conscious of the planet. Like, wear the stuff, recycle the stuff, reuse it. I don't know, gift it to somebody else, but don't go throwing out clothes like if you can't use something for a long time, and then it will end up at somewhere far away, damaging other people's homes. Like, what the hell? People, get conscious about the whole planet and the rest of the people that live in this planet. So it was a very chaotic, long, different type of recording sessions thing, but it was exciting, and I still can't believe I got two of three things. You watched till this point, please comment down below a pink cute heart because I love pink, and I just want to see how many of you guys stay to this point. Did you stay to this point? Because if you did, then I really appreciate. Like, I really, really, really do appreciate you. I've always wanted to do YouTube since I was very young. I've never been. I've already talked about this in so many other videos. I've never been very consistent with it, but I would love to do YouTube more constantly, and I would love to be more consistent with it. And I want to be able to, give you guys the content you'd like to see. I appreciate you. I love you so much. Until the next one.